Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is going to be a Marshalls and Target haul. So I just got a little bit of stuff from each store and I will share with you what I grabbed. Now, I love this Toriani, I think that's how you pronounce it. This Toriani syrup. I put this in my coffee. This French vanilla is delicious. It's absolutely delicious. And you mix it with a little pumpkin. Amazing. Amazing. Like the pumpkin syrup, amazing, right? Pumpkin spice. So I grabbed this at Marshalls, y'all. But back when I was getting it, a couple of times before, it was $3.99. Look at the price now. $7.49. Can you believe that? Like that's a whole what, $3 and something, 350 or 340, something like that increase. Like that's a lot. God. I mean, it's still cheaper than if you get it at World Market. That store called World Market. They sell it, and I think theirs used to be $9.99. So theirs are probably $10 or $12 now. So it's still cheaper there, at TJMaxx and Marshalls, but God, I like the $3.99. I like the $3.99 version of this, so I'm glad that I stocked up when I did because I bought a lot, but I do use this flavor quite a bit. So this French vanilla is amazing, and it's not the fat-free stuff. I realized that I can't really use the fat-free stuff because it bothers my stomach. Like too much of it just sends me over the edge. So I had to get the regular stuff, but I don't use it that much. I only have a couple cups of coffee a day. So, it works out great. All right. So let me show you the rest of the stuff I grabbed at Marshalls. I made a couple of trips to Marshalls and I found these Hello Kitty um, Brilliant C Boost mask, sheet mask, face masks, and it has vitamin C and retinol. I love these. So cute. I have been looking for these. They had different ones, and the different ones had different things in them. So it's a 3-pack. So, yeah, I got the vitamin C and the retinol because that's what I use. They're by the Cream Shop and the Hello Kitty, and they were $5.99. I thought they were really adorable, really, really adorable. So, yeah, I wanted to grab some of these and try them. I had, I see a lot of people online trying these. A lot of the girlies on, TikTok and Instagram, they grab these. So I said, oh, let me, give them a try, So I just grabbed those. Not too bad. And then I got some more Jacqueline cosmetics. This is one of my favorite brands. I have several favorites. I have several favorites, y'all. So I grabbed this one. All right. And this is the bronze and blushing duo. Okay. This one is called Hot Lava and Cocoa Rich. Now, a lot of these that she has are very light, and this had stuff on it, y'all. So it was the last one. I just grabbed it. So, the other colors just didn't work with my skin tone. Most of her stuff works, with my skin tone, but the other ones didn't. So I just grabbed this one. I mean, but look at this packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? It's absolutely beautiful packaging. Look at the packaging on this. Just stunning, right? Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So, yeah, this is what it looks like inside, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. You can see me in the mirror. So look at that. Just beautiful. So this is the blush and that's the bronzer. Really beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this. So, so pretty. So, yeah, when I see the colors, that I think that will work with my skin tone, I grab them. And this was $12.99. Now, look what I got. Finally got me some Juicy Couture candles, y'all. I see all the girlies grabbing the Juicy Couture candles, right? And I'm not a big candle girly. I have a few candles, and especially here in my art studio, because this is where I do most of my filming, y'all. But I have a lot of paper in this room, so I can't be burning a lot of stuff in here. Can you imagine? But I could probably sit it, like up here on my desk or something, like up here, probably when it gets colder outside, I can have my window open and all that kind of thing, kind of set the ambiance. But this one is called Choose Juicy Red Roses, Juicy Peach, and Magnolia. It smells divine. Like it smells so good. Oh, it just smells it smells so pretty. It's such a very pretty girly smell. And this was $9.99. So this candle lasts me forever. My husband we burn candles downstairs, y'all, and I just don't like those candles. They make my eyes water. And I told him, I was like, we gotta stop burning that candle. So I'm gonna probably burn this one. That might smell a little too girly for him, but I burn it when he ain't here. Okay. So I got that one, right? When I, tidy up my studio and, have my ambiance set and I want to just do art and just do my thing and relax. So, yeah. So I grabbed that one. This one's called Choose Juicy. It's really nice. Really, really nice. All right. And then I saw this one too. This is more of a spring smell to me, Bunny Bee. Yeah, and this was also $9.99, and this was one of the last ones. I don't know. I don't know how often, new candles come out because I don't really use them like that. But I said because I am a fan of Juicy Couture, period. Like I love, a lot of Juicy Couture stuff, bags and makeup and all that kind of stuff. I said I'm gonna start getting some candles and just kind of, putting them away or whatever. And Mac can always give them as gifts and stuff too. This is very spring though. This is a very beautiful spring smell. What does this say? Wild honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossom. Oh my god, it smells like a warm spring day. Or yeah, oh, it's just so gorgeous. It smells so good, y'all. So if you see this one, Bunny Bee, you should probably grab it. It's just so beautiful. It kind of is a spring summer candle where I feel like, I don't know, this one is probably, yeah, I don't know. You know what? I feel like this one you could use any time of the year, in my personal opinion, but whatever you want your house to smell like, I guess. So I am so excited though to have 2 juicy candles. I mean, these are my first 2. And I'm just thrilled, right? Just so cute. They're so cute. So, all right, now, I'm gonna show you one other thing I got from Marshalls, and I'll show the rest of the stuff is from Target. So check this out. These are Madden Girl shoes, right? And I feel like Madden Girl is for the young set, right? For the youngins. However, that means you can still be young at heart and wear stuff, right? And it's just how you carry it off and how you rock it. Let me move my stuff out of the way here. I'm trying to show you the shoes. These are really, really cute, and they're super comfortable. So this is a size 9 Madden Girl, and these are $25, y'all. They kind of look like Nikes almost. Like if you weren't really looking at them, they look like Nikes. But they're really comfortable. And I love the platform because I like a platform shoe. I'm a platform girly. So these were great. I wish these came in other colors, but I haven't seen other colors. So these were $24.99 at Marshalls. Okay. Really cute, really comfortable, very cool. I would wear these with jeans or leggings or whatever, And then again, it's a platform, so I can get away with rocking it, right? I like a lot of the Juicy Couture and Steve Madden bags, but some of the Steve Madden bags, the small ones, I can't do because I carry too much crap. And they're just too small for me. I like the bigger bags, I feel like a bigger bag is for more sophisticated and a smaller bag is for the younger ladies. It just depends. I do love a good crossbody. So, yeah. All right. So here's a Steve Madden bag. It's really cute. It's kind of in that olive green color. Beautiful. I found that, and then I thought it looked really good with this sort of bomber jacket, old school bomber jacket. The jacket was $24.99. This is from a previous trip, by the way. I'm just kind of splicing these videos together. And then I grabbed this Hello Kitty little compact mirrors, $9.99. Really, really cute, y'all. Super cute. Love all of my goodies. That's the designer of the jacket, and I just really love this purse. So cute. Okay, y'all. So I grabbed one more thing from Marshalls, which was this Jacqueline Cosmetics loose blush. It's not focusing. It's called Love Poem. It's really pretty. I've never had a loose blush before, and it was $7.99. So that was one of the other things I grabbed when I was at Marshalls, okay? In addition to my cute jacket and purse. So yeah, and then I kind of, like the day after I went to TJMaxx, and I grabbed this, y'all. This is a black Juicy Couture hooded robe. It's so beautiful and soft and pretty, and it's a large, extra large, and I got it for $19.99. Really cute, right? So cute. I'm so glad I found it. And then the find of the day at TJMaxx was my UGG shoes. I'm gonna use them as slippers. I guess you can probably wear these outside, but I'm gonna just wear them in the house. They were $39.99. This is size 9, and they are so soft and so cushiony, and they feel amazing on. So this was like the find of the day for me. I was so excited. And then I did get a pumpkin spice syrup, but that's downstairs. So, and the price went up on that, y'all. That's now $7.49. Can you believe that? That's crazy. They used to be $3.99. So if you see stuff out, you better grab it because it looks like the prices are rising. But I'm glad this was actually a good price for these Uggs, right? So cute. And if I find these in pink, y'all, I'm going to grab a pair. I like the pink ones. I've seen them, but they didn't have my size. So I was happy to grab the black ones. And then the robe, I'll probably end up getting a pink robe too. All right. So I grabbed this little shout wipes and go little wipes for, your clothes and stuff. I was going to put these in my purse. I have the Tide pins, but I don't know. Sometimes the Tide pins don't work that great, honestly, y'all. I keep them on me anyway because I'm, in case you make a mess or my kid makes a mess or whatever. So I said, I'm going to try these. These were only $1 and something. So you get 4 in a pack. So I thought, well, I'll try it for $1 and something, right? So let's talk about this. These are my favorite hand sanitizers. This Touchland. I absolutely love this. I have one in my purse now. This is a different scent, though. The one I have is called Cool Mist, I think. Cool something. It's blue, though. I did not know Target sold these, y'all. And it was $9.99. That's still pricey. But online, y'all, these are $15. So, and I like that these are... They don't dry your hands out. That's why these are so great. Because, you can spray your... hand sanitizer on and your hands don't start cracking and burning and all that kind of stuff. So I decided I would try this blue sandalwood power mist, right? It's really nice. You get 1 ounce and it was $9.99. So I'm going to put this in my stash for when my other one runs out. I could put it in my purse. Okay. So I grabbed that. And then I got some Revolution, my other favorite brand. I have many. This one is the Big Lash. I love this mascara as well, along with actually what I do is I put the Big Lash on, y'all. I put the Big Lash on, and then I use this. Now, I showed this in my TJMaxx haul, but I use this as well. So I put this on, then I put this on, on top, and my lashes look fire. And everybody thinks I'm wearing falsies, false eyelashes. I'm like, no, girl. I have plenty of lashes, y'all. Plenty of false eyelashes. I just don't wear them because I put a couple of coats of this stuff on it, and I don't really need to. Like if I was going out, a red carpet or something like that, I would rock them, or a photo shoot or something. But from day to day, I just kind of use the mascara. But it says Big Lash Reloaded. I don't know. It says XL Volume Mascara. This is new to me anyway. I think this was like $7 and something at Target. So it's black, true black. I'm gonna try it. Look at that. Look at that lash. And they're right. That lash looks fire too. Just like get that Hollywood lash, y'all. I love a Hollywood lash because I'm a showgirl at heart. So I love that. So grab that. And then I saw this by Elf. Clear brow and lash mascara. So I love this. I have one from another brand, but I can't find it. So the two of these I think were $5. So you can put one in one purse and one in the other. One in one bag, one in the other, that kind of thing. So yeah, I guess you use one for your lashes and one for your eyebrows. So that's great. If your eyebrows get a little unruly, you can just kind of lay it down with this kind of stuff if you're not wearing makeup or anything. And then speaking of makeup, this is one of my new favorite foundations by NYX. The Blur foundation. Now I have Warm Honey, and Warm Honey looks great on me, but I thought, I wonder if how the nutmeg would look on me, especially if I got out in the sun. You don't want to look like Michael Jackson, right? So I said, well, let me grab it now and I will try it. This almost makes you look like you have a filter on your face. It's just amazing. It's beautiful and it's very lightweight. It's not real like heavy foundation. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I want to say this might have been $13.99. So this color is called Nutmeg, but I also have Warm Honey and I love that color. Love, love, love. So I'm going to try this one as well. I'm going to see, what looks better. Probably going into winter, I would probably wear the Warm Honey, but then in the summer, I could probably wear the Nutmeg, because it'd be a little bit darker. So yeah. All right, y'all. I think that is all of my little items that I grabbed while I was out and about, popping in the stores here and there. Now, if you love crafty hauls, I do have a couple crafty hauls on my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. All right. So you can click my Linktree link to check that out. Christmas stuff, if you're into Christmas items. I'm going to be doing some Christmas crafting coming up. So if you like Christmas crafting, come over there and check out that channel because I'm going to make some cards and I'm going to make some other stuff, right? I'm going to do a lot of little Christmas crafting over there for the holiday. So you definitely want to check that out. All right. The Linktree link will be listed down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, leave it below and I'll answer get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.